This is a 5% topical minoxidil foam designed for men, made for use on the scalp or beard as part of a daily grooming routine. It comes in an aerosol can with 6.33 ounces of foam and is unscented, which makes it comfortable to use without added fragrance. The foam formula is lightweight and easy to apply. It spreads smoothly and dries quickly, so it fits well into a morning or evening routine without leaving a heavy or sticky feel. I like that the foam format helps with controlled application and less mess compared to liquid formulas. This product is infused with biotin, which is commonly included in hair care routines focused on maintaining healthy-looking hair. It's intended to support the appearance of thicker and fuller hair over time when used consistently. It uses the same active ingredient found in Rogaine, making it a familiar option for those already using or considering minoxidil-based products. The unscented formula also works well if you're sensitive to strong smells or prefer a more neutral product. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use minoxidil foam for daily scalp or beard care, this 5% topical minoxidil foam is a practical option to consider.